Happy Sunday, traders. Welcome to episode 379 of the show. Could be doing anything, but you're here, and of course I'm quite grateful for that. I don't know, man, all my chat's all messed up. I might run behind and stuff. My bad, y'all. Alright. Give me a sec. Let me get this YouTube chat popped out. We'll get it rolling, man. Okay, dude. Okay. Ethereum price predictions, man. Okay. Well, you're going to be having to deal with these weird titles that you know are jokes, but hey, man, whatever, okay? SEO campaign. All right, so we're starting with Ethereum because it's relevant to the title, okay? Dude, this is so new, man. All right, so a potential ascending triangle in 4 hour, and then we have the potential bearish Gartley pattern on the daily. Price prediction, man, I guess, right? We could run all the way to the bottom trend line of the potential ascending triangle, this upsloping trend line that converges into an apex right where that horizontal line goes sideways. Okay, so big sell wall. Someone thinks it's a reasonable price up here to offload their Ethereum. Seems like they're right for now, but every time these people, you know, they're offloading. These could have been the same people with the same orders, okay? They could have had a ton of orders to sell Ethereum up here. It dumped, it came back, same area. It kept filling that same order, just getting rid of it, okay? So we don't even know if they've completely filled their order yet. So we could break down again, hit the bottom trend line, run up again, and then all their orders could be filled, and depending on supply and demand, we could bust the upside because there's no more supply at this price. The only supply left would be at higher prices, and that's how the psychology of ascending triangles work. Okay, so price prediction, man, 122.04. We could run down to that area before running again, but we all know it's all dependent on Bitcoin price, right, man? Going to the daily, just again, this is really just reiterations of the same analysis. I mean, you know, I come on here twice a day, right? Talk to y'all. So here's that potential bearish Gartley pattern. Broke out of that ascending Browning wedge. Not a very strong looking pattern on the daily. Terrible, but ran near the 200-day moving average, sold off. Look, man, I know we could still have that potential ascending triangle plotted here, but you know, just for the sake of keeping things a little simple, different patterns, different time scales, right? So anyway, hey, say we broke down, hit that 122 area, ran again, and then we busted the upside. The 78.6% retrace from X to A would be around 190, 192 to be kind of more exact. Okay, so that would be that short opportunity up there, low risk, man, if we can get there, but big ifs. See if we can pivot at 122-ish. All right. And Bitcoin, seriously, man, according to the title, it really is just holding on barely. Okay. So price prediction 122 maybe, and then also after that, hopefully we could run up to hit 192. So then we could dump and short it together and be kings. All right. So that's it, dude. Ethereum. Okay, 20 minutes or so until the weekly candle close, daily candle close, 4-hour candle close. Go Bitcoin, knock it out, man. All right. Yeah, it's no collared shirt day too. Sunday, no collared shirt Sunday. Maybe it's a new thing I'm gonna do, man. All right. Are we cool, dude? Yeah, look, here it is, man. All right, you're just starting. You can't break below that 50% retrace, right? You're just trying to, failing again. So 37.80 dropped about 30 bucks today. Oh my god, man, Bitcoin's dumping, dude. Yeah. That Irwin coffee, freaking good, man. Real good. Chat, are y'all even alive today? I'm up by myself here. I don't even know what's happening. Okay, so you've got the makings of the bear pole bear flag to break you down to much lower levels, right around 34, 38. That 886 is right around the measure move of the bear pole bear flag if we were to bearish break out and we had some volume with it, okay? Because you got to get some volume to get you through this critical old resistance, now support. You need some volume to get you through that 200 moving average and also the 618, okay? And really the 786 because there's a little chop here. So measured move, it's not going to be easy because there is support on the way down. But that's it. Remember the wick from the low point to high point. We retraced 62% of the way, and that was about it. So but you know, I mean, just talking about what we've talked about time and time again is the fact that we had this huge dump and we've never made a common retrace. The common retrace zone, the golden zone, almost memorized it at this point, 4,400 to 5,200-ish. Okay, that's between the 382 and the 618 from the high to the low. November 7th high, December 15th low. Man, spend too much time on these charts, man. Memorizing like dates and fib nodes that aren't there. Not good, probably, right? Probably not healthy. But anyway, that's it, dude. I wish something changed. I'm just here to hang out with y'all to give y'all updates, price predictions. And that's it, man. All right. Do I look rough today, man? Do I look rough, man? I feel like I do, but whatever, man. Where's my music, dude? Dude. Crazy. Doing the double chimes, man.
The sensei of the crypto hydrogen of the mayor of Greenbow, Alabama. The sensei of the crypto hydrogen and the mayor of Greenbow, Alabama was a very good year. God save the queen. Kyler Murray 1974 was a very good year. Could you look at Kyler Murray number one in the man that dogs like? Could you look in cash? Thanks much to the man that dogs like.
Nothing I can do about it, man. I don't even have the overlay there. Dude, the overlay's gone. It doesn't even exist. And it still does it, man. Okay, and it's like only the first one. So you know it's not me. You know it's something to do with OBS or Stream Elements. Okay. Let me reread that TTS, dude. I don't even know if she said live, because it always says live TA. So stupid, man. God save the queen. You're the queen has a champion, a literal champion still. He's some sort of like architect or something weird. Fun tidbit about the queen. 1974 was a very good year. Kyler Murray #1 in the draft. Could you look at in cash? Sure, man. We'll look at in cash, man. Okay. All in on in cash. Kappa. Got low liquidity altcoin, man. Jeez. Been a minute since we looked at this. But hey, dude, at least we hit that measured freaking move. So nice, man. Very, very nice, dude. Wow. Haven't steered too far. We're really at the 1414. Yeah, okay. We'll look at it. Anyway, let's XRP, man, right? Price predictions. Either 34.38 for the bearish impulse, the you know, bear pull, bear flag, measured move, or if we're to pivot here and be real kings, I mean, it's not going to be easy to break above this area that we stalled at 4,200. So, because that's critical resistance. You have 4,242, which we never hit on this chart. And then right above it, you got like 4,400, which I think that's the 382. So, do you break 4,400, 50% retrace? Dude, look at the daily, see if it's on there. Yeah, okay, all right, yeah, that's perfect, dude. So, it doesn't look too good here, does it, on the daily? I mean, it looks like a perfect textbook bear pull, bear flag, even on a daily time scale. But here it is, 44.22 to 52.31. The 50% retrace, 48.26. So, would be nice to see that, but hey, man, bearish market, bearish trend. No bueno, man. All right. Dude, it's just like, look, 1 day, 8 days. 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, and you know, the 5th day right there, then dump it, right? It's just no wonder why people could be so bored with this market. But the thing is, you need to keep yourself occupied by exploring other markets, Forex and stock market, okay? Look at single assets, look at them, okay? You don't just be stuck on crypto, dude. Don't be stuck on Bitcoin. You'll get bored, man, okay? Just scan the charts. Work on your charting skills, man, with other charts that aren't just all these S coins that have just sold off or continuing to sell off. They keep selling. Sometimes they pump and they dump. All right. Just keep scanning those charts, man. Don't get bored. All right. That's it, dude. 200-day moving average right around $5,000 at this point. Okay. So that'd be nice to hit that too and then dump. Anyway, these are great areas of value for people to take shorts. Probably your highest area value is 5,200, and then if it gets crazy, which I don't know or think this could happen, which, dude, anything's possible in these markets. 786, a deep retrace, 5807, man. All right, just saying. So holding on for dear freaking life, but you're holding on with a bear pull, bear flag. That's what you're holding on by, which isn't good, right? All right, let's go to XRP. USD. $60-minute. We've been keeping our eye on 60-minute. Oh, there you go, dudes. Holding on by your chinny chin chin, man. That upsloping trend line that converges into the downsloping trend line, giving us the apex below all three moving average on 60-minute chart. Not really a big deal, but hey, man, zooming out. You'd like to, I mean, you haven't hit really the targets you would want for falling wedge breakout, but you hit the 382 at least, and that's great, man. But never again. Double top, never hit that 382. You had the Coinbase news. Okay, oh, people are saying they expected nothing good to happen from it. Okay, dude. They expected in hindsight. They wrote the article after it didn't pump. Okay, remember that. So anyway, triangle. Bottom of the triangle. Hey, man, just saying, like, any kind of context you want to take this. I mean, look, the thing is, remember, you want to analyze Bitcoin before anything else, right? So if we're at the bottom trend line of the symmetrical triangle, that's normally the best, lowest risk opportunity to take a long. But we do know that Bitcoin is showing a bear pull, bear flag. So we know if Bitcoin dumps on a bear pull, bear flag, then you think Ripple is going to hold up here? You think Ripple's going to break to the upside? The US dollar pair? It's not. So remember, analyze Bitcoin before you analyze altcoins, and then it helps make your decision. Okay, because right now it might seem so low risk here, right? But not if Bitcoin dumps. Okay, sweet, man. That's why we love Bitcoin, man, because it does its thing, and a lot of things follow it. So anyway, let's get through some chat, and then we'll look at Encash. Yeah, Encash, man. Encash Connect. One sec. Okay. What's up, TJO? 1G Project, man. Hello, man. Jeremy S., the Raven Coin Falling Wedge Jesus, man. You like that title, dude? What's up, Joe Ray? Stop with the vague pronouns, man, before I get you, dude. Okay? I thought we were brothers, man. Hey, Rick Schmitz. Sunday Fun Day, ooh. Yeah, dude. Totally. Dude, I looked at BCH, ABC, the US dollar tether, man. Miss Kento, it looks like terrible, dude. I don't know. Just like, what is it even doing? I know it broke to the upside. It's making higher lows right now. It just, God, structure, man, just sideways. Perfect timing? No, I was like 30 minutes tardy. I was late, Randy Schulz, man. What's up, Mad Carl, dude? Thanks again for joining the Patreon, dude. Eric Coffeen, what's up, dude? You're at work, just checking in. Say hi. Thanks, man. What's up, Christian? Doing all right, man. Doing all right. Trying to just do this. Weather is just depressing. I feel like I'm in Seattle or something. It's like every day it's rainy, overcast, cloudy, cold, wet. Ugh. Good call. What's up, Scour, dude? Oregon Donor. R. Rodriguez. Zach Kraus. Finally, someone that spelled Zach properly. We don't have to call you Zach, man. Billy Langford, man. Thanks again, dude. 589. What bear market we've been going sideways? Dude, we can show it, man. If you really want, dude. You realize like how far off we are from our previous major swing high? Very far away, dude. Very far away. That's bad. So like recharge this crap, dude. Give me a sec. Right here, dude. Joe Ray, man. Right? Still looks like a bear trend to me, man. Impulse down, sideways, slightly upsloping consolidation. Just an extended on bear flag maybe or something, or whatever. We know we broke out of a downsloping structure, but this is just a zoomed out view of Bitcoin over the course of 2018 to now, right? And we're just, there is a downsloping resistance, right? So, I don't know, man. Still downtrending, I do declare, right? People say we were going sideways here too. Impulse down. You actually had a really nice retrace, which is more than I could say about what we've seen now. We have not seen a really nice retrace yet. Okay, so you know, impulse, inverse head and shoulders, right? You dumped, rising wedge, dumped, sideways market. Still, dude, the prevailing trend was bearish at the time. Finally ran into this area and then dumped, and then here you are again. So I don't know, man. Au contraire, still somewhat downtrending, man. All right. Even though we're making shorter term higher highs, or higher lows anyway, not higher highs. Sorry, higher lows, not higher highs. It'd be nice to make some higher highs, which we're not doing. Nice, dude. Watching Robot Wars, dude. Heck yeah, man. Ogan Dorner. Wow. Oregon Donor says, nice beard. Thanks, man. Thanks, dude. I trimmed it, Kappa. What's up, Mass Adoption says, Ethereum to the moon, man. Facepalm, yes. Dude, is this music too loud, dude? Seems like just a smidge too loud. Probably better right now. Clickbait? Oh yeah, dude. Clickbait. Get baited, dude. Jebaited. What's up, Fogmoto, man? You mean the harmonics don't care about my fee-fees? Why not, man? Ball my jelly, you're here, dude. Thanks, dude. What's up, Remus? Kevin Happy Man. William Battles, man. Dude, all y'all in here, man. Verkus Games. What's up, dudes? Edward Park. Crazy stuff. Stop that, man. Y'all are just too easy to talk to, man. How's Cloakcoin? Delisted from Binance? Who cares, man? Someone was telling me to... Was it you? Telling me to make an emoji ball of Cloak? I'm sorry, we don't... Things that get delisted, we don't normally get Shaylin to put his efforts into that. Alright. CPLG. Okay. Man, that's good coffee, dude. Got on the list. What's up, Mac Daddy, dude? Bradford, man. Trish Dunner, man. Good God. All y'all here, dude. Okay, so just having to skip through time a little bit. What's up, Lucas, dude? Stiggy E. Mitch Coin ICO. Dude, we have a Mitch Ray TA coin on the Waves platform. Feel free to buy it if you want, dude. Okay. You know, I hear the leadership, the Mitch Ray TA coin, they have good hearts, man. Real good hearts. Screwed, dude. Didn't Lee County, Alabama get hit with tornadoes today, William Bowes? I don't know, man. That's southeast. That's like Auburn, Alabama area. That's where half my family's from. But no, I didn't hear about Lee County getting tornadoes. No. Cloakcoin was an S coin? Yeah, dude. Certainly was. Hey, man. You know the Great FOMO can do wonders for S coins, Verkus Games, man. What's up, Abdullah, dude? Look at me. Yeah, I know. I have a funny face, dude. Real funny face. Okay. Here's your rectangle on Encash. There it is, dude. Right, so you had just support, resistance, support. Nice, man. That made my day, dude. That boy is good.
Good and terrible.
I like turtles.
Oh my god, man. Thanks, XRP is a scam for triggering the XRP fans in this chat, dude. And making me burst out laughing. Thanks, dude. There's fun sometimes. Okay, anyway. Encash Connect. Alright, so the rectangle, right, that we had established said if we broke to the upside downside, measure move would be this large. And what did we do? We came down to the measure move. Kind of pivoted, ran up again, hit the old area of support as resistance, and wicked off like a scrub low liquidity S coin that we are on Encash. And we're just going sideways, man. Establishing ourselves. I don't know. I mean, like, if you take out the stupid wick, man. I mean, 1 and 2, is it falling wedge, descending triangle? What, dude? I mean, look, from the low point to high point, we got the 1414 going on. Okay. Jeez, dude. Yeah. Okay, so structure, man, hard to say about any kind of structure here. Let's anchor points, right? Dude, it's like so stupid, man. It's like almost impossible to chart this crap, dude. Like 1 and 2 anchor points, right? Doesn't work. What do we do? Anchor point 1 here and 2 here, and do it like that. That actually makes some sense, right? Because then you get the heart line. But dude, it's just not helpful, man. Like, look, you had some bullish divergence, then you had bearish convergence. Like, dude, this is so terrible. Okay, so look, look, man. I know from here, these lows to lower lows, you're not getting higher levels of relative strength, but dude, seriously, from this low to this low to the lower low, you are getting higher levels of relative strength. So and you're at a critical fib node. All right, man. So no, I don't really see much structure here, dude. Really, really tough when there's very little structure involved, man. Okay, trying to make sense of this. Sometimes it's like impossible to make sense. Look, it's like you have like a support here, right? 1 and 2 and kind of 3 and 4, and now you're below it, and you're below the 20-day moving average, below the 50-day moving average, and below the 200-day moving average. It just doesn't look great, man. You're below the 1414 now. So maybe we'll see 33 sats soon, 1618, the golden mean ratio. Fib extension. I don't know, man. Just, there are plenty of fish in the sea or something, right? And cash is an ugly one, dude. Okay. Not to be mean, okay? Because I know, you know, beauty is in the eye of the beholder, but okay, man. Well, if you have a really ugly, skewed perception of technical analysis, then yeah, Encash might look pretty. Okay. But hey, dude, CPLG, yeah, man. So yeah, we did sort of break out or something, right? Just trying to plot this though. I don't know, man. Interesting. That's pretty lit, man. So there's like two ways we could look at this, right? We just look at this first time. Someone's asking about CPLG on the stock market. And all it did was just anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 on the top and just 1 on the bottom. And then like you can see like 25% or 75% support, heartline resist. No, 75% resistance, heartline support a little bit, 25% support, heartline resistance. And you break down, you actually use a 25 as a resistance again and sell off. And look, here we are just running the upside. We just look at the daily, see what the discernible swing high would be. I mean, do you consider this a swing high? I guess you could. I mean, I can clearly see that there's a high here. Dude. So, like, if that's the case, if you're using that high to low, 38% retrace. Okay, so you're in the golden zone. So, could expect to reverse our price action anywhere between here, between 1402 and 1555. That's what you could be doing. Or whatever. Okay, so hey, daily's closed. Daily's closed. All right, weekly's closed. Ow. Okay, so I don't know, man. Harmonic, I don't think you have a harmonic, right? Would it be X, A, B, C? You're looking for D, which would be the see the cipher's the lower low. I don't think you have one, but I get it. X, A, B, C, and then we're looking for D. 62%, 78%, 88%. Okay, 1272, all fib extensions, right? So high on price, higher high on price. You got a slight amount of bearish divergence on the MACD on the daily, so that's not good. And a bearish trend, bearish divergence is pretty awesome stuff, man. Right, you can see it right there. So, hey, overbought still. A bearish trend, extremely bearish trend. And overbought territory. Dude. Really? I can't even hear anything. Oh, no wonder. Wow. Sometimes my Bose just turns off because it wants to, man. Okay, so should expect a reversal no matter what way you chart this, channel this, whatever. I mean, dude, you could have just as easily, right? I mean, we could try it. I did not try it. You could have just been like 1, 2, 3 here, and then 1 up here. and you broke out, right? You broke out that way. That's some other way you could plot it. Okay, so same thing though. The discernible daily swing high to low at a 382, pivoting at a 382, and bullishly engulfing, closing on Friday. So again, you're just looking for these areas. I mean, if someone was swing trading it this way or something, yeah, they'd be taking profits in this zone somewhere. All right, great stuff, man. CPLG. Crazy, man. So anyway, oh yeah, Michael Burry. Oh man, that's crazy, dude. Is it gonna do things, Larly, dude? Gonna do things? That's crazy, man. Top holding. What are they? So it's lodging. People are gonna travel, man. Especially in this economy, man. Everything Kanakid. Okay. Hey, big old nothing's changed. Kind of starting to try to pivot a little bit on this new 4-hour candle that started about 6 minutes ago. Off the bottom of the flag, whatever, dude. Alright. Go on. Nowhere to go but up, Billy, man. Yeah, dude. Dude, what? Banker's coin? Yeah, looks like it, man. Yeah, you know, whatever, Coffee Crypto, man. I mean, maybe I should be just taking Sundays off or Sunday days off. I mean, you know, balance or something. Alright, this thing's off. I've been live for like 36 minutes, dude. So, I mean, very little coin requests. A real estate investment trust. Lodging? Guess that makes sense. You know, but normally that word, lodging, is associated with hospitality in terms of, you know, hotels. But yeah, REIT. Very interesting. Be careful, watch out. What is it? XRP is a scam, man. Are you trying to tell us something, dude? Let us know, man. Okay. If I wanted to make the homeless thing perfect, I should do put a piece of cardboard on screen reading. We'll do TA for food. You know, there's been some times, I guess these were the golden days, where I was doing a marathon stream and someone was like, here, it was Ollie, dude, remember? He was like, here, go ahead and order from your favorite restaurant, get it ordered here, and we'll watch you eat or something. Remember those days? It seems like so long ago, dude, the golden days. The Kappa days, man, alright? Oh boy. Dude. These low liquidity S coins, man. Unbelievable. Hey Mohammed, man, thanks so much for the on YouTube. It is, man. The Mohammed, man, thanks, dude. Thanks for the sub, dude. Seriously, man. Thanks for chiming in on chat, man. Not enough of that these days. Okay. John Hill wants some gold, dude. Huh? You want some gold, dude? Dude, fun is like terrible, dude. Like what I had on fun was like look, I had a structure. I don't know, we haven't looked at it in a minute, but I had just like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 on the bottom, like 1 on the top. I guess what we could adjust here. we can't adjust, can we? Like, you just do that. And clearly you're out still. You broke out. You're just going sideways. It's going to happen when you go sideways. You don't keep selling off. Clearly the selling is tapered off a lot. You know, back to all-time lows. Really, December 2017 was like 135 sats. Now we're sitting at 97 sats. All we did on the fib extension was just like from that lowest low to the literal wick up here. Now I had it here and it did make sense, but I moved up to the wick and it's like, really, dude? We're like literally touching that 1618 right there, 97 sats. Below the 20-day, below the 50-day, below the 200-day moving average, still being a complete scrub here. All right, so I wonder if we hit a fib node from, no freaking way, dude. I can't fib that. That's insane, dude. You can't fib from a low to high up there and expect to be even at a 1272 yet, right? No way. 1272 is probably what the 2618 is right now. Anyway, get rid of those different time scale things. Looking at daily. I mean, you know, you had some divergence here and then you pop the upside, but now you're just selling off again. I mean, really kind of in the short term, you got a little bit of divergence, just a little bit, man. Divergence, yeah, you mean you had it. Look, you were making the lower lows, and at the same time, you're making the lower lows on price, you're making lower levels negative momentum. But look, we moved up, but did nothing, dude. It's just like, man, these coins, dude. There's not enough market participants to support all these S coins, dude. They're just mostly all dumpster fires. They're like bankrupt coins, dude. Like, just no one cares enough about these things, dude, all right? Jeez. Sorry, dude. Just, XLM has a Momo shift. Maybe, dude. Yeah, maybe. I mean, we know it broke out of a downsloping channel. Some sort of structure it's out. Just like Bitcoin a little bit, right? But it did the same thing as Bitcoin. It dumped and now it's like consolidating kind of bearishly. Ethereum coin keeps going up, dude. Already at 16 or 619 sats. Yeah, dude, it's insane, dude. It was a falling wedge too, man. It was there. It was there. Jeremy S was like posting up on it the whole week and stuff. So mostly, no, they're all dumpster fires, all of them. I don't know, dude. Like, if you're in on a trade, dude, who cares? If it had the look, this is not like real good coinciding variables, man. I don't think, dude. It's like, okay, where's the formal structure of a pattern? Where's the critical supports? Okay, 1618 fib extension, maybe, right? Maybe. I mean, dude, from this low here to this low, extremely higher levels of relative strength. So yeah, maybe, dude, maybe we bounce off the 1618. It would make sense. It could, but it's just not the best looking setup you're looking for. I get it though. We're all looking, dude. Jeez, man. Oh my god. Wow.
I like turtles.
There you go, dude. We're just looking for something. This thing is gone. 1272 approaches 654 sats from the major high to low of the structure of the falling wedge. We're running, dude. Running volume high. But very overbought. But really, I'm so surprised that we're hitting 82 on the RSI. You know, up 2.59% already. Dude. We just started the day, right? 15 minutes ago. We're up almost 3%. Look, dude, even technically bullish convergence and on both oscillators. But, you know, moves like this, you're a lot of times not going to get bearish divergence. We didn't even have a move down to give us, you know, to make us really lose a lot of positive momentum. And that's normally what will happen. You'll have a big move down, retrace, and then rally again. And when you dump the first time, when you move down the first time, it'll bring you back to neutral or negative momentum territory. Then you run and rally, and there's just no way you're going to get more positive momentum. But this thing is just going straight up, dude. Beautiful. Ravencoin. Cause for celebration, man. What's up, Graham? Dower dude. So Charles Parkhurst, man, how you doing over in Cali, man? Might as well just leave Raven Coin. Maybe we'll do some Raven Coin SEO tonight. Seems like good. Yeah, I think I'm doing that. Is Raven going to 1,000 soon? Hey, that's a great title. Maybe I should have the title as that, right, man? I'm joking. You didn't notice my stream from the name? I know, Graham. I know. It's all marketing. It's like having to change things up, man, because like everyone else in this world is doing the dirty stuff, okay? So I have to also do the dirty stuff. It's just, look, man, you have to. So it's just all crap. I don't want to do it, but whatever. Drunk A, nothing wrong with taking profit, man. Muhammad, what are you talking about, man? We can see you, dude. What are you saying, man? Don't be scared, okay? But if you're thinking about doing something weird, you might be scared, right? You should be scared, maybe. You freak out, man. Yeah, it's the windfall, William Battles, man. It's like third target beyond, right? So, but then sometimes you notice like that can definitely hurt you, dude, because like if you don't think with Bitcoin, remember our 3 targets? We hit the third target and surely after, not much after, it was over, dude. We dumped hard, right? Like 8 to 10%. So, sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't. That windfall, the craziness. Man. Okay, let's see if good job, Raven, man. This is a good XLM to BTC right now. We got rid of our fib extensions because we were going for targets. Big Keith, man. Thank the sub, man. Gang, dude. GG's, man. Alright, you zoom out, clear like Wyckoff stuff, right? There was a critical support here that's manufactured over the course of 2018, and we sold off to levels. What happened? We finally broke it. We dumped real hard, real fast. Down to that next support, March 2018. It doesn't matter if it's a really weak support, and it doesn't matter if there's barely anything to the left of it, because after a huge impulse like that, you call that exhaustion impulse, okay? Or you've run too hard, too fast to the next level of support, and by the time you get there, there's all kinds of crazy bullish divergence. There's miniature exhaustion patterns going on, smaller time scales, whatever, and you know, the downsloping resistance we had, we broke out of it. Okay, and we discussed this, man. And if you were to make any kind of reasonable retrace from the major high to the potential major low, which we don't even know if it's the major low yet, so don't get cocky, kid, because we haven't even come close to 23% retrace. Just a standard, everyday, normal retrace is going to be between 3,085 and 3,704 sats. You'd expect probably to fail, dude, at like, you know, 29, 21 sats. You run up and back test this as a resistance and then sell off again. I mean, that seems like a good thought, right? But for now, man, you know, we had that little pattern that played out pretty well, you know, a little wedge, but now let's see if we can make sense of something else. I think you're just kind of upsloping a little channel, parallel channel. Not perfect, man. Wow. Not bad, man. Not bad at all. So Francisco, man. Sorry late. It's all good, dude. It's a really, really quiet day today. Sunday. Fun day. I'm just ready for mining to become viable again. Because, like, if I move, you know, I've got that other awesome PC I want to put to use to do things. So now I've got that laptop, the other awesome PC, and this PC, right? So, mining, I'd like to. Drink out the hashes. What are you waiting for? Yeah, dude. Wreck, dude. What's up, Salted, dude? Oh man, I don't really know, dude, about quantum. Quantum, dude. We looked at this one, I think, yesterday. Right, the falling wedge. Someone was like, "Is this inverse head and shoulders?" Maybe. We were just looking at the symmetry of it. I mean, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, sure, maybe, if you think, but dude, it's not really, like, look, you got all this chop in between, so are people really interpreting it that way? Maybe, you know, we just looked at it like that. That's why we didn't draw anything yet, like it is. If it is, it's all potential until you break this neckline all the way up to 725 sats, because that would be the neckline, dude. Right, shoulder, shoulder. So we broke out of the falling wedge. We've hit the 382. High to low. Okay. Should expect 611, 638 targets if we're to get there. But dude, I mean, very well could just be some sort of weird head and shoulders with slanted neckline. Look, you're actually kind of breaking the neckline right now, man. Come on. Ugh. Okay. I mean, bearish convergence on the MACD, bearish convergence on the RSI. Don't waste your time on mining, not worth it, dude. Dang, dude. Did I do it? Yeah. Yeah. Agartha, I did my price prediction, man, at the beginning of the show, dude. Okay, we opened the stream with Ethereum, dude. Talked about where we go on the downside and where we go on the upside. 4-hour time scale, daily time scale. Okay, whatever. All right, moving Rick Schmitz. Probably at this time, Atlanta. Okay. Seems like a perfect fit, especially because the airport, and I know a few people already over there, and it's kind of close to home, so it's like just, and it's a much larger city, dude. But anyway, yeah, neckline kind of slipping below it, right? Others could argue this is an ascending broadening wedge, right? With like anchor point like 1 and 2 and 3, and the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, right? I mean, sure, dude, that's bearish too. Guess what the measured move is of an ascending broadening wedge if you break out? That's down here again, back to 499 sats. God. All right, man. So I don't know, dude. Like, just kind of like carrying on now. Just looking at random coins. I'm trying to get rid of this little dot. Dude, you see this? Got it. Got him. Anyway, dude, so, yeah, I don't know. Kind of Sunday, fun day. Yeah, well, one Jello, I've never lived out of the state before. I've only lived in 2 cities in the state. Dude, it's like, I'm like 31, it's like, there's just so much more out there. Why am I living here anymore? It doesn't make sense. It's like, most people stay in the cities they're in because they have to, because they're tethered to their job. They're tethered to the corporation they work for that is local, right? And I've been blessed enough this past year to not have to worry about locality. You know, but man, just saying it. And the real estate market is extremely high right now. The proceeds I'm going to gain from selling my house is stupid. It's stupid, and I can't believe it. And it's just like all that, man, just makes a lot of sense, dude. It's just a cleanse, a purge, a social thing. Okay. How soon until XRP is doomed, Pixel Man?
I don't know, sir.
Okay. Whenever Bitcoin dumps, okay, that's it. Rain nightmare here, dude. Yeah, dude, tell me about it, man. It's like Seattle, dude. That's what I was saying earlier. Rain's gone though, dude. Now, jeez, there's so much rain going on. Like, we missed a lot of that. It's all over now, man. Don't get a freeze warning, Graham, dude. I'm feeling Florida. Don't they have no state, or it's like no income? No, what is the income tax in Florida? Yeah, I don't know, man. I mean, yeah. I mean, and look, here's the thing. It's like I move somewhere. It's not like I have to stay there. Like, dude, that's the whole point. Like, what I'm doing now, just like getting rid of a bunch of stuff, and you know, I'll be on items and stuff. It'll just be mainly like in bank accounts, brokerage accounts, right? It's not going to be like possessions and stuff. Like, I have so many possessions right now. And once like you know, it's like all a bunch of baggage, man. Get rid of the baggage, all that stuff. It's just that you're not going to be as tethered. So like leaving and moving from city to city will be so easy after this first little transition, right? I could try it out. If I don't like it in 6 months, I could move again, or a year, or whatever. But it is a good little get my feet wet on living in a state of never, you know, moving out of state for the first time in my life, right? I feel like Samwise Gamgee or whatever and Lord of the Rings, dude. I've never left the Shire before, man. Yeah, maybe so, Fergus, man. You missed it, Jimmy, dude. You missed it, man. You were so close, dude. Yeah, we guess we can just go back to Raven. There it is. It's exceeded the 1272. Oh my god. We're heading on to the 1414, man. 698 stats, man. Really, at this point, well, I wonder where we could fib here. Look, let's fib this way, dude. Forget the fib extensions. Let's look at the mega retrace from the high point to low point. Ah, just exceeded the 50% retrace. You gotta be kidding me. Beautiful, dude. Verge is pumping, Abdulman. Is that the word, dude? Pumping. Memories are the best asset. Yeah, I like to make some new ones, man. Dude, it's like a new chapter of my life, man. This whole year. I think I've been building, grinding. I haven't taken real vacation. I mean, like, you know, went to LA for a few days, which was incredible, and I'm going back this month. I can't wait, but you know, man, there's just so much out there, dude. You just bought Raven. Dude, did you really, man? Roger, I know you're kidding, but if you're not, this is you.
I like turtles. I like turtles.
That boy is good. Good and terrible.
$673 right now, man. Major high to major low, 50%. Kangage. Currently on the RSI, sitting at 85 roughly. What do you even want, man? Interesting, dude. Interesting on that one, Wald Modulo. I don't know though, man. Isn't there another pair that has more data than this? There's plenty of pairs. Here we go. I get what you're doing, man. I get what you're saying. You're saying it like this, dude. That's where I'm plotting something, man. Dude, it's just like so low liquidity, man. I mean, I get it, dude. I get it to some degree. Like, you know, SC, dude. Dumpster fire, man. Real big dumpster fire. Let's fib this real quick. Extensions low. I get it, man, right? You know, you had this crazy move down, you broke out of it, double top, lower high, whatever, so huge sell off, lower lows, 52-week lows, and is it? Yeah, definitely 52-week lows, and huge impulse down, and now you have down sloping consolidation, so, you know, there is a rising or falling wedge, sorry, I say rising wedge because I'm thinking about it like that, and that doesn't look bullish at all, does it? That looks like you're getting ready to get wrecked, man, right? Certainly does, to some extent. You know, from the beginning of the structure to now, look, we got much higher levels of relative strength. We're going to talk about levels of negative momentum, almost inexistent now. Really have positive momentum. But where's the demand, man? Where's the buying pressure to get us up? I don't know. Well, yeah, dude. Yeah, certainly. Wald Modulo looks like some sort of falling wedge pattern. Downside, it doesn't even matter. It's downside the channel. It's still an exhaustion flag if that's the case. You look at it like that. But yeah, man, you're onto something here. You're onto something on Sia coin, dude. All right. Look at this, dude. Huh. I wonder what the retrace is from that high to. Oh my god. Never mind, dude. I'm not doing this. This is insane, dude. This market's crazy FOMO stuff, dude. But you could almost think that we're at like an 88% retrace or something from that high way down the low down there. But you know, look, the thing is, from this low point to high point, the 1272 is at 53 sats. We're at 63, so we got like 2 more sats to go before we hit any kind of fib node. I don't know, man. 688, yeah, we're approaching 745. 745 is a 618 major retrace, so we can get our eyes back on it. We're getting there, man. We're getting there. Move somewhere with a progressive crypto scene. There's only like a couple of those places, and you have to live in a shack, a shanty. Okay. Parl, good to see you. Yeah, this insane pumpage, man. Insanity. Hey, good for Raven, though, man. Great. Why would Ethereum go up? Who said Ethereum was going up? We did price predictions on Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum would go up in price because Bitcoin would go up. That's it, dude. That's literally it. What's up, level of certainty, man? Engine coin, yeah, it had a stupid pump like this. And dude, if you broke even, man, consider yourself lucky, dude. Okay, don't be greedy, because it sounds like if you only broke even on 300% gains or something, that means maybe you FOMO'd on engine coin. All right, so dude, just chalk it up as a lesson learned to not FOMO, man. Wow, it cost you no money, just time. That sucks, but you know, because there's opportunity cost. But dude, it's a lot better than hey, there we go, hit it. It's a lot better than spending a lot of time and losing money to learn something. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, look, touch it like to Jesus, man. All right, can we exceed it? Can we break it, dude? It's gonna be tough, dude. That's the golden retrace, man. The golden retrace. Probably the 1414, I think, right, as well. Crazy, dude. Maybe the 1618. For everyone live on VertBase. Thanks, Tiki. Been live now for an hour and 5 minutes. All right. Feel like I'm working at Skates 280, man. All right, y'all. Fun stuff on Raven hitting the 618. Awesome. Thanks so much for the new subs today. Thanks so much, Billy, man, for the 589. All right. I'll just be back tonight. So until next time, respect T.
gonna dip.
Adios, turd nuggets.